Hi, it's Amy from Pretty Little Claws, and today we're going to do an abstract design in gel polish. Enjoy! So I've laid a base of Shy Time, which is the new pink collection, my favourite nude. I've done 2 coats of that on each of these, and I took the sticky layer off with some gel residue wipe off solution and a lint-free wipe. Now on the back of a form, I have placed some Snow White, Serious Black, Blue Reflection, a slightly darker blue of Summer Sky, Mimosa, Sherbet Lemon, and Miami Beach, along with some pitch purple. Using my 01 brush, I'm going to go in first of all with Serious Black, load that on my brush, just randomise a pattern. Once you've done that, pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds to cure. On my second nail, I'm going to take some Snow White and then what would be the cuticle end of the nail and go in there. Try and get rid of any air bubbles. And before I pop that into cure, I'm going to load up with some pitch purple. And pop that into cure. On my last nail, I'm going to go in with one of the colours and just make a nice rainbowy pattern, type pattern. Cure in between each layer. On that first nail, I'm going to take a smaller brush in the 001, load up with Snow White, and I think I'm going to put some little stars. Randomise them. With a thin dotting tool, put some little dots. And pop that into cure. So on our second nail, I'm going to take the 01 brush and on the opposite side of the purple, just do a little swoosh of that. With my thinner brush, I'm going to load back up with Serious Black. I'm going to finish my eye. And give her some eyelashes. And before we pop it back in the lamp, we're going to go in with our darker of the blues, which is Summer Sky, and immediately with our blue reflection on top, so they blend. And pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to add some more of our rainbow stripes. Pop that in the lamp. So with our first one, we can top coat that with the Urban Graffiti top coat as we're finished with this one. Bring our rainbow one back out, load up with a different colour, this time go in between those two. Then pop that back in the lamp for 30 seconds. Bring your second nail out. So load up with Snow White, and on the black, where we did the stars before, we'll do some smaller stars. You just want the gel polish on the tip of your brush for this. And then with your dotting tool, again, some little random dots. And pop that back in the lamp. So with our rainbow one, we're going to use the Urban Graffiti Ultra Matte Top Coat, because I like the mixture of shiny and matte. And then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then to finish off, we'll load our dotting tool with some Serious Black and then a tiny bit of Snow White. And then once that's come out and cured, I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti Top Coat again, and top coat. And pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And there you have a Salon abstract design made entirely with gel polish. All the products that we've used today will be listed in the description box below. If you've liked this video, hit the like button and please subscribe. Bye!